Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today, let's continue chapter number 16 and learn about some points. Be ready for your class. Divide and rule policy. In India, the British government adopted the policy of divide and rule to weaken the freedom movement. In 1905, the partition of Bengal was announced, and it was divided into two parts, one for the Hindus and other for the Muslims. Swadeshi movement. In August 1905, to protest the division of Bengal, the people of India decided to boycott. Boycott means to refuse the British goods. It meant using goods made in India only. Swadeshi goods. Men, women, and students took part in this movement, and finally, the partition of Bengal was withdrawn in 1911. Revolutionaries. Some young people believed that violence should be fought with violence. They were called revolutionaries. Revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Savarkar, etc., led their lives for the sake of motherland. Students, please remember Khudiram Bose was hanged when he was hardly 15 years old. Madam Bikaiji Kama went to Switzerland and started a newspaper called Vande Mataram. Lala Hardayal formed the Ghadar Party in America to help the revolutionaries in India. Satyendra Sinha became the first Indian to appointed as the law member in the Governor General's Council. The policy of divide and rule by the British was rejected by the both Hindus and Muslim leaders. Now, the outbreak of the First World War. The First World War broke out in 1914. The British government promised that it would grant freedom to Indians after the war. But when the war ended, the British refused to give freedom to India. This made the Indians unhappy and they started demonstrations and hartals. Last phase of the Indian national movement. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in 1915. In South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi successfully united the local black people and the Indians against the white government. After coming back, he traveled to different parts of his country to know more about the people. He was shocked to see the condition of the poor. People of low castes and the untouchables were treated badly. And Gandhiji decided to work for the unity of people. He gave the name Harijans to untouchables. He himself adopted a Harijan girl as his daughter. During the First World War, the British government passed a new law which was harsh and unjust. The Rowlatt Act in 1919. According to this act, anybody could be arrested without a trial according to this act by the British government. People were not allowed to express their views under this act. That's all for today. Thank you.